This bad birdie. He went into my bag and got my food. Look at that. They're, I think they're cashews or something really nice. And he got them, and now I don't dare try to take him away. He looks pretty strong. He went right inside my bag, over there, that bag over there, and grabbed these things. And now he's eating them. He got my nuts. Oh. Oh, bad birdie. Least I could do is film you eating my nuts. Oh, look at this other one's gonna try to get on it. They were emerald nuts then. They were really good ones. I better check, make sure another one doesn't get another one of my bags. Just snagged them. The other bird's trying to horn in. Oh well. He's got him. He's a big birdie too. Big seagull. He grabbed my, grabbed him right out of my bag. Huh? Nuts. They're like, I think it was cashews and something else. Emerald nuts of some sort, like a mix of different kinds of nuts. I don't remember what all it said on there on the bag. I'm not going to go up there and try to check it. It's gonna get me. I got to turn around every once in a while and check to make sure another bird doesn't come and grab the rest of my stuff. Oh wow, look at them all. Oh, you're mean. Well, he's the one that stole them. He should get them. Oh, well, that's the end of that. I don't think there's very many left anyway. Oh, well, if I can find the bag later, I'll throw it out. I don't know if I'm going to be able to find it. Oh, he got it again. Oh, he's taking off with it. Those other birds, man. He's like, no way. Mine, 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 mine.